Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Acordar.
To get up.
Levantar-se.
To brush teeth.
Escovar os dentes.
To wash face.
Lavar a cara.
To have breakfast.
Tomar o pequeno almoço.
To take a shower.
Tomar banho.
To go to work.
Ir para o trabalho.
To go to school.
Ir para a escola.
To study.
Estudar.
To work.
Trabalhar.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.